Welcome to our treasure room. I don't know if it's a treasure, but it is definitely the soul of Maison Jadot. And you know, we cannot talk about Burgundy without talking about aging. And now, in our world, things go very fast, more and more quickly. Time is our friend. And we have always believed in Burgundy that things must be smooth, step by step. And in a great region, when the terroir is fabulous, we have the opportunity to express through our wine great complexity because of aging. It's very important, and people forget about that. Right now, we drink the wine very quickly. We go to a shop, we buy it, and we drink it. It's a mistake. It's a big mistake. When you go and buy wine, you always go and buy a case of wine. You buy 12 bottles, and you put them in your cellar, and this cellar becomes your treasury. And you become part of the quality of the wine. All the wines that are here around me are the wines that have been vinified, aged, bottled by my father, my grandfather. And, you know, when I am here, I have a tremendous pleasure. Maison Jadot was founded in 1859, and La Romanée 1865 is the oldest one that we have in this cellar. And you know, it's a wine where we have only a few bottles left. We are going to open them. When you are our guest, you are a great occasion, a great opportunity for us to open a bottle and drink it, because all these bottles have to be drunk here. It is red, and it's also white. You know, I have next to me here some Bonnegrève 1959. 59 was a vintage. Every vintage has its own story. And I have listened to my father forever telling me that he started in 47, and 47 was a vintage unbelievable because it was so hot that the vats were bubbling. There was so much energy in this vintage. 59, I told you, Bonnegrève 59. 59 is a vintage of perfection. You had to be an idiot not to produce a great wine in 59. It was ripe, it was healthy, it was beautiful, there was concentration. And this concentration is there. It's in the bottle. And, you know, seeing them next to me, I feel the taste of 59 in my mouth, talking about them. Red, of course, but white also. Everybody thinks that the white wine has to be drunk in 2, 3, 4 years. It's a mistake. It's a huge mistake. We have here some white wines of Montrachet that are 60, 70, 100 years old, and that are absolutely magic, fabulous. They are emotional. We have a few bottles over there. We record them once every 30, 40 years. But when we open a bottle, we have this fabulous truffle aroma, this aroma that we don't understand. We don't know where they come from, but which are magic. They can be drunk with cheese. A great old white Burgundy wine is a perfect match with cheese. They are they are wonderful. We are very, very lucky to be able to taste some of them. So it's an opportunity being there to try to share that with you and to tell you, please, when you think about Burgundy, do not think about simplicity, think about complexity. When you think about complexity, take your time. When you take your time, the reward would be fabulous. And more than anything else, it's not us, Maison Jadot, producer, which are so important. You are as much important as we are in the quality of the wine. You are responsible for the storage, you are responsible for the day where you open this bottle, and the experience about Great Burgundy is this whole experience. Let's try to share it together. Voilà!